warmed up a little bit. Drew Jones, Bassahaulic. Hit him up for any enclosure designs and a bunch of other stuff you might need.
Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.